if a bullet hits you normally, it just goes in. This thing comes sideways. It does way more damage. You have way more surface area hitting the target. More kinetic energy on target. I'm an engineer. All right, guys, future Jordan here, recording this significantly longer after I recorded what you're about to see. But I wanted to go over some basic stuff about this gun before you see me hate myself on the clock. This is a Savage 410 break action single shot shotgun. And I saw an old Iraq veteran 88 video. I'm dating myself now because you can fit all kinds of weird things in different guns, including 454 in a 410 shotgun. It fits, it seats, and it yeets. So this originally it was out to here. I chopped it, put on this cool grip that will pull off the handguard since I don't have hose clamps on it. Safety, don't do this. I'm getting away with it because if you look at the chamber walls on this bad boy, there's enough meat there to withstand the pressure. But this is also a gun that I don't let other people shoot. I haven't had anything happen so far, and I don't think I will, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So that's just one of those things, but we'll shoot another round, and then I'll do some editing magic, and it'll go wooloo, 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 wooloo into some match footage.
Got 7 seconds. $28. I feel like someone should be filming this in case it does explode.
On it.
Slow motion, please.
Ian's not big enough for me to hide behind.
That's a hit.
Does that count as a full 7?
No. Get it ready. Ready. Stand by. Clean. Well, that one, no, that's 5. If he wants it clean, he should cartwheel it through the guy's face.
He gets 1 extra round to throw it.
Did you skip that off the ground?
Unclear. All right.
Yeah, I think it's still only 5 points.
Yeah. Well, hypothetically, if it had keyholed through both the 5 and the 3, would that be
No.
I'd argue that one.
This takes the whole slow and heavy argument and kicks it up a notch to slow, heavy, and tumbling.
Yeah.
Did that put it through sideways?
Yeah, oh yeah. That's what happens when you don't have rifling.
That's what they were going for in Nom.
Bye. Jesus. If you aim at the bottom plate, you might be able to get a couple of them at once. You also might reset them unintentionally.
He's scoring like 2 points every shot.
Damn it!
Did it come back up?
So hard it reflects.
All right, I'm done.
Yes, you are. Time is 27.
All right, 454 baseline test out of a Ruger Raging, or a Taurus Raging Bull. God. So we're at 1547. Now let's see what the Abomination does. Same ammo, 300 grain, 454. 1682. That is definitely pissing hot. So we also got some lighter loaded stuff. This is a 230 grain 45 bullet in a 454 case. A little light load. That does. Oh, that's like nothing. Okay, I don't know if that's right, but that is 4,800. Let's see if that was just a fluke, because I have a feeling it was a fluke. Because if that thing's pissing out at almost 5,000, that will be the new load for this gun. No recoil. No, it's at the same thing, so.
Yeah.
And I could see that bullet, so it's definitely not 5,000.
Right there.
Yeah. That seems more accurate because you can see the bullet. So
Yeah.
724 is what those are getting. And you can definitely feel it. It is light.
Okay.